Lloyds Bank Foundation have been a sponsor of the event, and we have had previous places come to the event bringing challenges, and the learning that they were able to take from there and take back to their places has been really inspiring. And we are luckily in a position where we had a challenge that we were able to bring that was quite pertinent for where we are right now in place in Redcar and Cleveland. So being able to bring that challenge to hear different perspectives, different people who've got the work already that they've done, the experience that they've done, and be able to take that back to our own place, to our partners, to be able to learn and inspire them to be doing things different is really important. So the challenge that we brought here this year is around the rural transport. So Redcar and Cleveland has a rural aspect within East Cleveland, and the work that we are doing in places is overarchingly about in-work poverty. And we have a portion of the work that is looking at the impact of transport on in-work poverty. We recognise that the rural context is very different to the rest of the place. So being able to bring that specific challenge, knowing that it is a bit different, that it is something that we want to be exploring more, but the expertise that we would be able to have in the conversation here and taking that back and be able to build on that has been a fantastic opportunity for us. One of the things that has been quite prevalent has been about the information that we have in place. How much do we have? How much do we need to be finding out? What's the leadership looking like? Who can take some of that leadership on and drive the conversation further in place, and being able to explore that actually what does the system need to be able to be more flexible around this conversation, around this challenge, has been quite eye-opening, because it is part of the strategic landscape that we're playing with. Being more mindful and being more intentional about actually, if this is what our challenge is, who needs to be there? Who can lead on that? Who are the people that can bring some of the funding? What does that look like in terms of actually practicalities of using it? What people have done on the ground already previously, is there learning there that we can share and bring back to our own place as well, in our own context? It has been really important to be able to learn that. I mean, the rural transport issue within Redcar and Cleveland has been one that we talk about constantly. It's always been, we go around the buses quite literally. So being able to maybe bring a fresh perspective to change that conversation in place, so we're not having that same conversation 10 years down the line, will have that real impact on people. Because again, with the in-work poverty lens that we're using, people being able to access employment, access opportunities, access better skills and things that can help build more financial stability and resilience within their own life will only help our place as a whole, and the local economy, people's own life expectancies, health determinants, all of those things will have a really good impact, a greater impact within our own communities on the ground.